Dear customer, Namaste. Today is the 6th day of Navaratri, dedicated to Goddess Katyayani Devi. She signifies strength and destroyer of an evil. On this occasion, we at AGR HVAC provide an information on VRF air conditioning system. VRF is nothing but variable refrigerant flow. It's a new technology which addresses all the concerns of the architects, builders and end users. Do you want to know how it addresses all the concerns of the architects, builders and the end user? To know more about, call on this number or WhatsApp or visit our website. And most importantly, please like, subscribe and share it with your family and friends for the latest updates. Thank you.